Welcome, friends, to the hottest of the hot news broadcasted by Janskata Current News YouTube channel. I am Dr. Ravindra Nath Pati, editor in chief of this YouTube channel. Today, I am going to talk about the life of street children in Pakistan who have been exposed to rape, sexual abuse, and right of human right violation. If you like this video, please subscribe, share, and do not forget to press bell icon. You are also welcome to share your comments in the on this video. Pakistan is a country who has on ill reputation at the international level for sponsoring terrorism, murdering democracy, violation of human rights, and sustaining suspicious alliance with China, which pose a great threat to peace of South Asia. In Pakistan, out of 220 million people, 35% are children who are future of the nation. A large section of children have lost their tender childhood and a healthy family life. Not less than 2.5 million children live on streets of major cities of Pakistan and involved in drug peddling, begging, stealing, prostitutions. They are inducted into drug syndicate and begging syndicate by mafias. Every day, 10 children are sexually abused in Pakistan. This is a horrible situation that creates great concern from human rights activists all over the world. The boys in age group 6 to 10 years and 11 to 15 years and girls in same age group are more vulnerable for rape and sodomy. Child sexual abuse is rising day by day in all cities of Pakistan. It is reported that 33% of rise in child sexual abuse recorded in 2018 compared to 2017 in Pakistan. The cases of sodomy of male children and rape of girl childs have increased by 61% and 15% respectively in 2018 compared to 2017. The divers of Peshawar city have confessed that on average each has raped 1 to 12 boys. The predators who have experienced sex abuse in childhood are involved in the sodomy and rape of children. A serial killer, Javed Iqbal, has been arrested by Lahore police. He has confessed that he has raped and killed more than 100 children. This indicates the perversion and sick mentality of these people and their weakness to child pornography. There are many cases of such people who have been involved in child rape, sexual abuse in America and European countries. Not less than 2.5 million children living on street have lost their childhood and privilege of enjoying wholesome family life in Pakistan. Their rights to be raised well and become contributing member of the society has been snatched away. Their right to survival covering health, nutrition, name and nationality is at stake. They live on starvation and are fed with thrown away food for dogs. they are exposed to rape, sexual abuse, and different forms of uh, harassment without family support and state protection. They have been denied right to protection against exploitation and abuse. They have forced to live in a situation they where they uh, lost their right to life, security as a person, freedom from torture, cruel, inhuman, and uh, degrading treatment by outsiders. Imran Khan, the Prime Minister of Pakistan, has been asked by a reporter about this situation. He has admitted that this is most shameful act of the country, and his government is going to take a very serious step to protect children and punish the predators. The lower house of Parliament of Pakistan has adopted a non-binding resolution calling for public hanging of people convicted of sexual abuse and murder of children. Minister of Parliamentary Affairs Ali Mohammad Khan suggested that these criminals must be hanged in the middle of the cities. More than half of the lawmakers voted in favor of this resolution. Poor media coverage, lack of government action, lack of awareness, inaction of police has aggravated the situation and trigger of the multiplication of these criminal activities. The international NGO Sahil has been working on street children of Pakistan for last couple of years. Sahil has compiled a report where they have given very vivid description of child abuse occurring in different cities of Pakistan. The name of this report is Cruel Number 2018, which has been compiled by monitoring 85 regional and national newspapers of Pakistan. Mr. Mohammad Naqib has also produced a documentary movie in the name of Pakistan Hidden Shame, which has clearly brought out many dark aspects of child rape, child abuse in Pakistan. This documentary film depicts horrible experience of homeless boys of different ages living in Peshawar. They narrate how they are sexually abused and inducted in prostitution and drug trafficking by mafias. This documentary shows 9 out of 10 children of Peshawar are victims of sex abuse by truck drivers. This is a very serious situation which needs intervention by government, international agencies to protect the unfortunate street children of Pakistan. Extreme poverty, broken families, physical and sexual abuse force the children and young people to leave their home and come to the street. Day by day, number of street children goes on increasing in different cities of Pakistan. These street girls and boys are not safe. They are prone to sexual abuse at their tender age and denied their child rights and protection net by the government. Thank you very much. I welcome your comment and views on this video.